Massive greetings in the name of the Most High. This is Daddy Reddss for Daddy Reddss Promotions, and this is Talking News. In this episode, Fantan Mojah, I'm going to respond to Mutabaruka for what said the other day about what said, right? Well, before you get into it, please like, subscribe, share, give a comment, show that you care. And remember, this is Talking News.
See, Mojah is an hell of a rate for man, and we don't disrespect Mojah, that one thing we know. But Mojah, the pan Reddss say, like for dropping on my head, when me a perform, yeah, me a rat and call himself a Rasta. Come on, Mojah. Remember, be a white girl, you're fucking a Mojah. Yeah, there would be a white girl. Fantan Mojah was a real Rasta youth in Jamaica, and them know. Yeah, we don't eat pussy, and we don't fuck batty. We clean. And we love people. So you do, long are you?
Here, Mojah now, our talk. Why Fantan Mojah don't just go in a hotel with them girl and do him thing and make sure them do have a smart.
Remember, Mojah come on radio, come talk, say news are locked down with Shindy breaks, you know. And Bob Mother, if you put them kick off video and say, freak boy. Give him a blood clot, girl.
Yeah,
and I knew the man say locked down and just them nude. And him talk on radio, same just nude. So when you nude, you're naked. Nude is naked. So you try to tell them some Mojah, be able to sell, man. No for no Rasta we are talking, not some fucking bowcat to you know. Fucking, we don't know Rasta not trade. Yeah, it's a Batman Rasta. And the boy that with me say a plan to rush me. Remember, me gang big. And the hardest, to the clans, to the Casha Park, to the Reddss Road, to the whole fucking Jamaica link. We're bad. So now come, ready?
Boy, some powerful talk.